Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Perplexity AI. Whether you're using a shared device or simply want to secure your account, knowing how to properly sign out is an essential step in maintaining your privacy and account security. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser you prefer to use. Once your browser is open, type perplexity.ai into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Perplexity AI homepage. Make sure you're already logged into your account before proceeding to the next step, as you can only sign out if you're currently signed in. Now that you're on the Perplexity AI interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your profile avatar, which typically displays your profile picture or an initial icon representing your account. Go ahead and click on this avatar. By clicking it, you're accessing your account menu, which contains various options related to your profile and account management. After clicking your profile avatar, a menu will appear with several options. Look through these options carefully until you find the one labeled Sign Out. This is the option that will disconnect your current session and log you out of your Perplexity AI account. Click on Sign Out to proceed. This action immediately terminates your active session, ensuring that no one else can access your account or view your search history on this device. Once you've clicked Sign Out, you'll be logged out of your Perplexity AI account. The interface will typically refresh or redirect you to the login page, confirming that you've successfully signed out. This means your account is now secure and protected from unauthorized access on this particular device. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Perplexity AI. This simple two-step process ensures your account remains private and secure, especially important when using shared or public computers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.